Oh, that's pretty. We should take him looking at the birds.
I did. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, did?
He's looking at the camera.
He what?
He was looking at the camera. But I got a picture of him looking at the birds, watching the birds.
Oh.
Yeah, meow. He was a good boy.
Can't find my clicker. When you finish taking pictures of the birds, I can't believe it. I was so wiped out. I don't know what. And the others don't sit here anymore because I'm out here.
I don't think that's true. I think, what's her name, would be in here. Stitch.
Yeah, I'm surprised Stitch isn't in here. Because he was always here when I was away.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He took one look at me and took off. I think I've seen him one other time.
I don't get. Oh, here we come. Here comes another bird. Hey. Oh.
There's a blackbird, and it goes so fast, I don't know what it is, but it's been on that right corner, up and down, trying to get some food. Is that it? Is there a blackbird there?
That's a pecker.
Really?
Yeah, the pecker's down.
The pecker is down?
That's a little, downy pecker, but
Oh.
that's a female downy. The male was here earlier, but she grabbed a couple seeds and left. All right.